Hello there. Hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same text about the test is the most common trope when talking about the intellectual judgment of an object's aesthetic merit. So the direction for question is what? Answer the following question based on the information given below. So as we have understood about it, so the main thought of this text is nothing but indicating about how test is the most common trope when talking about the intellectual judgment of an aesthetic merit. And also we talk about the roots of theories that stretch back as many things do to Plato and Aristotle. And it is also stated more about in the last line where it is stated, and the imitation, though not always complete, is correct rather than rising to some higher forms of beauty beyond this physical world. Aristotle seems to have a more experiential approach to discovering and judging beauty, right? While Plato believed that art diminishes the knowledge of something to an almost unrecognizable degree, Aristotle holds that imitation helps the idea become simpler and therefore more easily understood. Well, let's move to the question. The question stated that which of the following, if true, weakens the weakens the premises, means weaken the region given in the passage, and that region is on what? Plato's theory of beauty. Now, if you talk about this particular question 3, where the options are pointed, the region which can weaken the Plato's theory of beauty. So the first one is stated perfection is universal. Second, every object has a form. Then the third, you can say reality is a practice and perfection are a belief. For perfection is unattainable. Now let's look into it. If I talk about this text, Plato in his theory indicated of what beauty believes that one uses as the lower beauties of the world to climb up to the higher realms, isn't it? In option 4, where it is stated perfection is unattainable, so in that case, it is believed that perfection is unattainable, right? So, if I talk about that, option 4 indicates that it is believed that perfection is unattainable. Either of the two can be true, right? The journey from lower to higher area is a compulsion to be believed if Plato's theory of beauty must stand. Hence, option 4 is nothing but weakening to the premise of Plato's theory of beauty. Now, other options like if you talk about 1, 2, and 3, right? So these are nothing but supporting the theory, right? And stated that what perfection is universal because every existence has aesthetic form and there is a belief of perfection to attain it. Everything practiced may be have a perfect form. Hence, option 3 follows. Hence, the correct answer is option 4. Reality is a practice and perfection are a belief, right? So if somebody is doing practice, but at the same time that doesn't refer in the passage itself, right? So option 4 is the only option that is that can be called as a premise of Plato's theory of beauty. Okay, so perfection is universal, so it is indicating about universal purpose. And second one is every object has a form. Then third is called as a practice and perfection are a belief. A reality is a practice and perfection are a belief. So in that case, you can consider option 4 will be the most appropriate answer to it. I hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.